Lots of drivers believe fuel myths that can actually hurt their car. And guess what? You might be doing some of them too, without realizing it. These mistakes can lead to big repair bills. Before you spend more money, here are fuel myths that could be damaging your engine. Learn the truth and save your car and your wallet. If you are really saving thousands of rupees from this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Premium gas makes your car run better. Not really. A lot of people think using premium gas will make their car faster or cleaner. But if your car was made for regular gas, using premium is like pouring fancy bottled water on your houseplants. Nice idea, but it doesn't help. Your car's engine is built to work best with the type of fuel it was designed for. If the manual says regular 87 octane, that's all it needs. Using premium won't unlock more power or make the engine cleaner. It just costs more. Premium gas has a higher octane rating, which means it can handle more pressure before igniting. That's only useful for engines that are built for it, like in some sports or luxury cars. If your car doesn't need it, you're just wasting money. Car engineers spend years testing engines to run well on regular gas. So skip the extra cost and trust the manual, not your neighbor who swears premium turns his minivan into a race car. Fill up in the morning to get more gas. Sounds smart, but it's not really true. You might have heard that gas is denser when it's cooler, so filling up early means you get more fuel for your money. It sounds scientific, but here's the thing. Gas stations store fuel underground, and those tanks stay at a steady 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit all day, no matter how hot or cold it is outside. That means the temperature of the fuel barely changes, whether you pump it at 7 a.m. or 5 p.m. So filling up early won't get you any extra gas. At most, even if there were a tiny difference, you might save 2 or 3 cents. A few drops, really. Not worth skipping breakfast over. Plus, modern gas stations already have systems that adjust for temperature. So the pump is giving you the right amount, not some sneaky, heat-expanded version of it. This is one of those myths that sounds clever and spreads fast, but it just doesn't hold up. Underground tanks plus temperature correction equals no real savings. So don't stress about what time you fill up. Morning gas doesn't give you extra. Sleep in, save your energy. Is driving under 55 mph really the best way to save gas? You've probably heard this one before. Drive under 55 miles per hour to save gas. Yes, driving slower can help save gas, but it's not just about sticking to 55. Most cars today actually save the most fuel when they're going between 50 and 65 miles per hour. It depends on the car. Some do better a little faster, some a little slower. But here's what really helps you save gas. Drive smooth. No hard stops or fast takeoffs. Check your tire pressure. Low tires use more fuel. Don't carry extra stuff. Heavy loads make your car work harder. Avoid long idling. If you're parked for a while, turn the engine off. So while driving slower can help, it's not the only way. And driving too slowly on a fast road can actually be dangerous. So, is under 55 the magic number? Nope. It's just part of the picture. The real trick to saving fuel is driving smart, not just slow. Keep it steady, keep your car in good shape, and you'll see the savings. Now you know. Drive safe and save smart. Manual cars get better gas mileage. Not anymore. This used to be true in the past. Old automatic cars weren't very good at saving gas, but now things are different. Modern automatic cars are super smart. Many have 8, 9, or even 10 gears, and some use something called a CVT, which helps the engine run more smoothly and use less fuel. Because of this, automatic cars often get better gas mileage than manuals. Just check the official numbers. Automatics usually come out on top. Unless you're driving an old car, a manual won't save you gas. It just means more work for your left leg in traffic. So if you want to save fuel, trust the tech. Today's automatics are built for it. Keeping your windows down is always fuel efficient. Myth. Rolling down your windows instead of using the AC can save gas, but only at low speeds, like when you're cruising around town under 40 miles per hour. At those speeds, using less engine power to cool the cabin can make a small difference. However, once you hit the highway, open windows create significant aerodynamic drag, forcing your car to work harder and burn more fuel than it would with the AC on. Modern air conditioning systems are far more efficient than they used to be. typically reducing fuel efficiency by just 1 to 3%, or about 1 mile per gallon, much less than the 10% or more older systems could cost. So while cracking your windows might seem like a good idea, if you're driving at high speeds, you're better off keeping them closed and running the AC for both comfort and better fuel economy. In short, the idea that windows down always saves gas is a myth. Drive smart, stay cool, and choose the right method for the road you're on. Premium gas will clean your engine or improve performance. This is one of the most common fuel myths out there, and it helps gas stations make a lot of extra money. Premium gas doesn't clean your engine. It won't fix a rough, idle, bad gas mileage or make your car feel new again. And no, it won't turn off your check engine light either. The real reason premium gas exists is to stop knocking in high-performance engines. That's it. If your car isn't made for premium, using it is like flushing your toilet with bottled water. It's expensive and doesn't help. All gas types, regular, mid-grade, and premium, have the same cleaning additives if they come from the same station. There's no special magic in premium. Some drivers think premium gives better gas mileage or more power. But unless your car specifically needs premium, you won't get any extra performance. And those fancy names like Ultra Max Power or Super Clean Supreme, that's just marketing. Unless your owner's manual says premium required, save your money. So which myth caught you off guard? Were any of these new to you? Or maybe you've been shaking your head because you knew them all along. Drop a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear which one surprised you the most. If you're tired of throwing away money on bad car advice, don't stop here.